your knowledge by sitting one of our exams and obtaining a certification. By the way, this isn't a all or nothing choice. You can mix and match building, structured learning, and certifications as you progress. To get more hands-on with the different services, AWS has a very generous free tier. In your AWS account, just in case you accidentally create a resource that falls outside of the free tier. AWS also has lots of different tools available and quick start guides to make getting started even easier. Let me help you get started by showing you how to create an AWS account, set up a billing alarm, and create a resource that qualifies for the free tier. Search on the web, create an AWS account, and you should find a link that brings you to this page. Once you fill out your details and create the account, you can then log into the AWS Management Console. Now, to save time, I've already created an account and logged into the Management Console. In the Management Console, the first thing you want to do is go to Billing and Cost Management. When that loads, scroll down in the left menu to Billing Preferences and select it. Here we want to edit our alert preferences and enable CloudWatch billing alerts. For me in this account, it's already been enabled, but you may need to click the box to select it and then click Update. This enables our AWS account to send billing information to another service called CloudWatch. Let's go to that service now. In CloudWatch, we want to create a new alarm that emails us AWS account. If being hands-on is a little intimidating, there's more structured learning. We have in-person classrooms you can register for, and if you prefer self-paced learning, we have digital courses and content as well. Our online learning platform is called Skill Builder. Let's take a look at some of the different resources Skill Builder has available. You can find Skill Builder at skillbuilder.aws. It has both free and paid subscriptions. Once you create an account and log in, you'll be taken to your learner dashboard. Here's where you can find all of the different online content. You scroll down, you'll see there are learning plans to help you navigate what you should learn next. Continuing down, there are also online courses available. We have different game-based learning options, exam preparation material, additional digital training, AWS Jams, which are hands-on infrastructure-based challenges, and also Builder Labs, which are lab environments to help you get more hands-on with a particular service without having to worry about accidentally incurring a cost. Some of this Skill Builder content falls under the free tier, but others do require a paid subscription. If you've been continuing your learning, either through getting hands-on or with survey, it should only take